There's something so peaceful about nature. The quiet, the peace, the serenity. Maybe it's because it doesn't need us in order for it to exist. In perfect harmony, the birds fly and find food, the grass and flowers grow, and the trees provide both shade and homes for animals. It's the human interruption that disrupts nature, both the external, outdoor nature, and our internal nature. We're born as happy, loving, peaceful people, and too often we learn the opposite, and chaos, sadness, fear, and pain become our new norm. Return to nature. Take your cue from it. Live in peace.